Our former Prime Minister Mackenzie King said it the best. The Carillon is the voice of the nation, and I'm very proud to be part of a significant aspect of Canadian history. My name is Caitlin Rouse, and I am a project technician for the scanning and partial disassembly of the Carillon. The bells had to be removed from the Peace Tower to restore and refabricate selected Carillon components to address issues such as general age and wear. Because of the center block rehabilitation project, we had the opportunity to enhance playability and refine sound quality. Additionally, heritage assets found within the belfry most at risk required removal, and that allowed us to advance interventions to the Peace Tower.
My name is Jaap Leijten and my title is Chief Engineer at Royal Eijsbouts. Royal Eijsbouts is a company that exists 150 years, and we restore carillons, swinging bells, we cast swinging bells, so we're a bell foundry, and it's the largest bell foundry in the world. My role is to oversee the job site, the work here we're doing, and then when everything is shipped back to the Netherlands, to oversee the restoration.
They have a unique skill set that they bring to the project being Carillon specialists, but they also have a facility with technical equipment in the Netherlands that will allow us to restore the bells. Prior to Royal Eijsbouts arriving on site, we had to address heritage protection around the keyboard, mechanical and electrical decommissioning, as well as safety concerns. We also installed a temporary hatch to the ceiling and floor of the player's cabin to facilitate the removal of the Carillon components as well as the bells. So the medium and large bells will remain in the Peace Tower during the rehabilitation project, and minor conservation work will be done to them, such as cleaning, to ensure that they will be able to be played on for the next 100 years.
The largest bells we removed and brought with us is approximately 100 pounds. And all the others, we didn't need to take them out because we brought Miguel, and he's a specialist. He can scan all the bells. And with that information, we can prepare ourselves for restorations of the clappers and all other sorts of things.
So the final restoration process is still being developed. However, we do know that the small clappers will be refabricated and the larger and medium-sized clappers are going to be restored because they were original. And we're going to be addressing the corrosion as well as the general age and wear.
It's mostly the bearings or the axles or the clapper itself. Maybe it's a little bit worn down and we need to make sure that it's smooth and round again, so you have a good striking point. When that is, the bell will actually sound better again.
My name is Captain Dan Abbott. I'm an aircraft commander on the CC-177. We used the C-17 to transport the bells from Trenton to Prestwick in the UK. We used what's called the hub and spoke models. We used the C-17 to transport the bells and other cargo to our hub in Prestwick in the UK, and then from there, the cargo is then broken down on a CC-130 to other various locations as the missions require. It's always nice to be part of history and able to transport the bells safely to their final destination, as well as all the other missions that 429 Squadron and the C-17 supports globally as well.